Having trouble with your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? If your phone has started freezing, restarting unexpectedly, or acting strangely after installing an app, booting into safe mode is a quick way to find out if a third-party app is causing the issue. Safe mode temporarily disables all downloaded apps, so only the built-in Samsung apps can run. Begin by pressing and holding the side button and the volume down button together. Keep holding them until the power menu appears on the display. When you see the power menu, don't tap power off right away. Instead, press and hold the power off icon for a few seconds. After a moment, a new option labeled Safe Mode will appear on your screen. Now, tap the green Safe Mode button to continue. Your Galaxy S26 Ultra will automatically restart. There's nothing else you need to do while the phone is rebooting. After the restart is complete, unlock your device and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. If you see the words Safe Mode, you've successfully booted into this troubleshooting mode. At this point, try using your phone as you normally would. Open the apps that were crashing, browse the interface, or perform the actions that previously caused problems. If everything works properly in safe mode, it's a good indication that one of your downloaded apps is responsible. Removing recently installed or suspicious apps should help fix the issue. Whenever you're ready to return to normal mode, simply restart your phone. All of your installed apps will be available again after the reboot. Mission accomplished. You've entered safe mode successfully. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Samsung tips.